Pan. A flat or shallow container used for cooking or baking. She fried eggs in the pan. The cake is baking in the pan. He washed the pan after dinner. The sauce simmered in the pan. They used a pan to roast vegetables.